I feel tired about everything because every day I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over. It's like I just had my heart broken though, but the world didn't even give me a chance to be sad about it. Everything started moving way too fast. Like responsibilities peel out of nowhere, forcing me to grow up. Like if I just kept going, maybe I wouldn't have time to think about her. And then suddenly I was stuck in this loop. Same day, same weight, different morning. And then I wake up and then I get through it and then I repeat. Honestly, I just wanted everything to slow down for a little bit. Because right now I'm still holding on to her, to the hope, and to the feelings that I'm not ready to let go of yet. So I decided to take a break, not to escape, just to pause. I came back to nature, just to breathe, to sit with everything I have been carrying, and maybe to look for her traces in my thoughts, in my heart. I know I'm supposed to move on, but I'm not ready yet. Everything about her, I'm still embracing it in comfort, still feels close, even though I know we were probably nearing to the end of the line. But some part of me still hoping that maybe one day, in some random, quiet moment, we will meet again by accident as different version of us in different chapter of our lives somewhere along this journey.